What is the purpose of a budget? In today's video, we explore that question and cover what I consider to be the most important reasons you should utilize a budget in your life. Welcome back to Dollars and Cents Studio, where my goal is to empower you to take control of your personal finances. Check out the link in the description where you can schedule a complimentary 15-minute call with me. We could talk about your financial situation and determine if my financial coaching service aligns with your needs. What is a budget? A budget is a detailed plan that assigns every dollar a purpose, providing you with a roadmap for managing your money. It's not just about restricting spending. It's a strategic tool that empowers you to control your finances effectively. Now let's dive into the question you came to get answered. What is the purpose of a budget? First, budgeting puts you in control of your money versus your money controlling you. Taking charge of your finances through budgeting is a game changer. Ever wondered what happens when you strategically plan where your money goes? Well, you're essentially asserting your dominance over your finances, proving to yourself that you're the one calling the shots. It's common to feel like your money is slipping through your fingers, living paycheck to paycheck, or being trapped in a cycle of perpetual debt. While it's true that breaking free from these challenges can be tough, it's far from impossible. You don't have to resign yourself to a life where your income vanishes as quickly as it appears, nor should you accept perpetual debt as the norm. Budgeting becomes the key to redirecting your financial trajectory, steering you away from merely surviving to truly thriving. Budgeting is your ticket out of the cycle. It places you in the driver's seat, giving you the tools to manage your money intentionally. The sense of empowerment and tranquility that comes with this shift in mindset is nothing short of remarkable. It's the first step towards a future where you're not just getting by, but flourishing. If you're sitting there saying, yeah, but you aren't staring at $100K in student loan debt, credit card, and car loan debt like I am, how will a budget solve my problem? Well, actually, I was in that exact position, and the very first thing I did in my journey to being debt-free was create a zero-based budget. If after this video you want to learn how to make a budget in the first place, check out the link in the description to my video, which explains and gives a zero-based budget example. Next, budgeting is the only way to attain your financial goals. If you are watching this video, odds are you have aspirations to become debt-free, build an investment portfolio for your ideal retirement, or simply create some financial flexibility. Regardless of your money-related aspirations, a budget is the linchpin to realizing each of these dreams. It serves as the foundational tool that transforms your financial objectives from mere wishes into tangible, achievable realities. And here's the broader truth. It's not confined to financial goals alone. If you have any life goal you're striving to reach, the prerequisite is carving out space in your budget for it. That's right. Whatever your ambition may be, a budget is the instrument that propels you towards the life you envision. Next, budgeting allows you to spend guilt-free. When everything's neatly accounted for in your budget, you're granted the freedom to spend without that nagging guilt. No more worrying about neglecting vital bills just because you decide to treat yourself to a night out. I enjoy helping others set up their budget. I usually get the same reaction. People feel as if the day they start following their new budget is the day the fun stops. But that doesn't have to be the case. I remind them, although the change may be difficult at first, once they get a little momentum going, it will only get easier. Lastly, budgeting holds you accountable. Whether it holds you accountable to your spouse or just to yourself, I feel this is one of the most important reasons for the budget. Budgeting is a proactive approach that helps identify and address overspending, prevents the accumulation of debt, and encourages regular check-ins to assess progress and make necessary adjustments. Budgeting for beginners isn't always easy, but once you actually start budgeting, and have been doing it for a couple months, it will get easier. Here is the weird thing. The first time you blow the budget, you may actually feel a little dirty. This is a good thing. It means you have changed your thinking. It doesn't feel right anymore to just spend unknowingly. You will feel that guilt in your gut, and once you do, you know you are holding yourself accountable. Now that we have covered some of the main reasons to budget, hopefully the next time you get asked, what is the purpose of a budget, you could talk from your own experience. If you feel stuck or are afraid to take control of your spending, that is okay. It is normal. Just give it a shot for a couple months. Your future self will thank you. If you need extra support, check out the link in the description where you can schedule a complimentary 15-minute call with me to get you going in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing the topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos to help you master your financial journey.